This video is a journal of my experiences during the Covid-19 pandemic of 2020. On February 11th, I went to St. Paul's Hospital for hand surgery and saw my first actual warning sign about the coronavirus. By this time, there were over 40,000 cases globally, with most of them in China. But innocently, people had started to spread the virus to other countries. At the hospital for my hand surgery, I was happy to attend my first rugby sevens match. At that time, there were no restrictions on large gatherings. I was baffled by the empty store shelves. Hoarding had begun. I appreciated that I already converted part of my apartment into a home office. This office overlooks beautiful ocean views. 1 month after my surgery, I was delighted to be back at the gym. The next day, all gyms were shut down. Lockdown had begun. Everyone was told to practice social distancing and stay home. We all started to look for the beauty in our environment. But the English Way seawall was packed, not exactly following social distancing. I've become aware that I need to consider those who are most vulnerable, especially the elders and those with compromised health. I was surprised to see that London Drugs had suspended recycling. There were lineups everywhere. We are all now in this together. The banks make their first attempt to protect staff and customers. It all comes down to juicing and cleansing, staying healthy. Isolation produces yummy, homemade meals. Hotel parking lots are empty. The city moved all the logs off the beach, but nothing much seems to have changed in Point Grey. I take up long walks, exploring the beach and embracing mindfulness. I decided to tackle the BCMC trail for my first time in 10 years. It was not the easiest day of my life, but the sense of accomplishment was worthwhile. Bubble baths had become a part of my everyday routine. Oh la la. I decided to make 150 street masks for friends. That sold out in 2 days. I went back to workouts with my personal trainer. We did virtual and at a distance. I liked how the stores started to become more proactive. The one-way aisles, fewer shoppers at a time, and plexiglass to separate the buyer and the store clerk. It was important that we start taking care of one's mental health in difficult times. The appreciation of nature helps. The world is in a bad place. 40,000 cases in February became 2.4 million in April. 900 deaths in February tragically became over 170,000. It's all about our mindset, heart set, and health set. Stay safe. Remember to love yourself. Forgive others. Namaste.